Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it, and right now we're traveling cross country from Florida to California. I want to show you a quick life hack that's going to make your riding so much easier if you're going on any road trip longer than a few minutes. Now what we have here, this simple little device, it's called a Cramp Buster. It's just a little piece of plastic. I'll show you. I can take it off right here. Real nice and easy. 10 bucks on Amazon. What this does, rather than when you're riding and you have to engage your wrist, it seems like nothing, but after hours and hours, it gets tiring on your wrist and your hands. And your hands go numb almost from the vibrations. All you gotta do, get this little thing here, to just clamp it right on the grip here, as far to the right as possible. Now, it only moves in one direction. It only moves away from you, all right? From the rider position here, you can see when you're riding, this is neutral, down, you won't even notice it's there. Now when you're riding, you're gonna have to do this quickly because you let off the throttle and the acceleration is gonna dip. So you're riding and then you just simply tap it up a little bit. If it's at about half, you just rest your wrist on it. You put it a little more higher, you rest your wrist on it, and that gives you more throttle. You put it really high up. Now if you rest your wrist on it, you're really ripping it. Now you see, right now I'm engaging the throttle, but my hands are relaxed. I can even put my thumb on top if I want. Stretch out your fingers because you don't want to go numb. But yeah, Cramp Buster, this is the traditional one, 10 bucks. They also make a shorter and wider one, but same concept. I'll show you one more time. Down is off. You put a little more than neutral to get it working. Crank it up a little more. Now you're really rocking and rolling. Well, I'm heading to Route 66 out west. I'll catch you later. Hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.